Hey there digital friends, in this video you are going to see regarding the new Xiaomi Poco phone F1. Now the whole internet is searching regarding the Poco phone. What is this Poco phone? What is its cost? Is it really a flagship killer? Now let's start the video. The main thing in this Poco phone is the processor. The processor in this phone is Snapdragon 845, which is a flagship processor which we can see in flagship devices like Samsung Note 9 and OnePlus 6. So what is this Poco? It is the new sub-brand of Xiaomi with some great specs and at amazing price. It comes with a 6.18 inches 2K resolution display and it has a notch. It has 12 and 5 megapixel dual rear cameras with 4000 mAh battery. Regarding the price, the base variant is available at 21,000 with 6GB of RAM and 64GB of internal memory. Everyone was confused how it is available with great specs including the infrared face recognition which can be unlocked even in dark, same as the Apple does. So the main thing that they use it to cut costs is on the build and other departments so that they can spend more on the main component, that is the processor and RAM and the battery. So is it a good device to buy? Let's see. The quality of the device is not that premium as it comes with a plastic or in a rubbery Kevlar backing, which is not that durable when compared to the metal or latest glass trend. The main thing Xiaomi advertise is that the liquid cooling, which does a great job while playing games, and we can see that it does not even heat when we play for hours. In my opinion, if you are okay with the durability of the device, you must certainly consider buying this, as it is the best mobile for 21,000 for 6GB and 64GB of RAM with best performance. The first batch of the Poco phone fetched around 200 crores. So this is the best phone in this segment and I suggest you to buy this one if you are around 20,000 and do not care about durability of the phone. That's all for the video guys. Thanks for watching.